Hello, my friend. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. My name is Anna, and I have a question for you. What if your daily morning routine became your secret weapon for English practice? Yes, your secret weapon. Imagine this. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you make breakfast, and you're speaking English. Natural English, simple English, real English. Today, we're going to transform your everyday actions into practical language lessons. We'll build your confidence one simple phrase at a time. And I think you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised how much you can learn from your morning routine. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, let's start at the very beginning of your day. Beep, beep, beep. Your alarm rings. What do you say? What do you do? In English, we have simple phrases for waking up. Let me teach you. First, when you wake up, you can say, "Good morning." Try it with me. Good morning. Great. Now, maybe you're still sleepy. Maybe you're very tired. You can say, "I'm still sleepy." Let me say it slowly. I'm still sleepy. Your turn. I'm still sleepy. Perfect. Now, here's a little story from my life. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6:30. Beep, beep, beep. And every morning, I say, "Good morning, Anna." Yes, I talk to myself. It's okay to talk to yourself in English. It's good practice. Then I say, "Time to wake up." Time to wake up. Can you say that? Time to wake up. Excellent. Now, you're awake. You're in bed. What's next? You need to get up. In English, we say, "I get up." I get up. So, my morning sounds like this. Good morning. I'm still sleepy, but it's time to wake up. I get up. Let me say that again slowly. Good morning. I'm still sleepy, but it's time to wake up. I get up. Now, I want you to try. Say these phrases out loud. Yes, right now. It's okay if you're on the bus or at home. Practice makes perfect. Say, "Good morning. I'm still sleepy. Time to wake up. I get up." Beautiful! You're doing great. Okay, now you're out of bed. What do you do next? You get ready for the day. Let me tell you about my morning routine, and you can learn the English words for your routine too. First, I go to the bathroom. I say, "I go to the bathroom." I go to the bathroom. Your turn. Good. In the bathroom, what do? You brush your teeth. I brush my teeth. Let's say it together. I brush my teeth. This is such an important phrase. You brush your teeth every day, right? So you can practice this phrase every day. Here's my little trick. When I brush my teeth, I look in the mirror and I say, "I'm brushing my teeth." Try it tomorrow morning. It's fun. Now, after brushing your teeth, maybe you wash your face. I wash my face. I wash my face. Repeat after me. I wash my face. Great work. Next, you need to get dressed. You need to pick your clothes. We say, I get dressed. I get dressed. Say it with me. I get dressed. Now, here's a question for you. Think about this. What do you wear in the morning? Do you wear jeans, a dress, a shirt? In English, we can say, I wear jeans, or I wear a dress, or I wear a shirt. Let me tell you what I wear. This morning, I'm wearing jeans and a blue shirt. I put on my jeans. I put on my shirt. I put on my jeans. I put on my shirt. Can you say that? I put on my, and then say what you're wearing. Excellent. So let's review. Let's say all the phrases together. Are you ready? I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. One more time, slowly. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. Perfect. You're building your English vocabulary right now. Remember, these are actions you do every single day. So, practice these phrases every single day. Make your morning routine your English classroom. Now, my friend, you're ready. You're awake. You're dressed. It's time for breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite part of the morning. I love breakfast. Do you love breakfast too? Let me teach you how to talk about breakfast in English. First, when you go to the kitchen, you can say, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Try it. I'm hungry. Good. Or maybe you say, I want breakfast. I want breakfast. Say it with me. I want breakfast. Now, what do you eat for breakfast? Let me tell you what I eat. I eat toast. I eat toast. Toast is bread and it's warm and crispy. I also eat eggs. I eat eggs. And I drink coffee. I drink coffee. So, I can say, for breakfast, I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee. Let me say that again. For breakfast, I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee. Your turn. What do you eat? Think about it. Do you eat cereal? I eat cereal. Do you eat fruit? I eat fruit, like bananas or apples. Do you drink tea? I drink tea. Or juice? I drink juice. Try making your sentence. Say, for breakfast, I eat, and then say your food. Wonderful! Now, here's a fun conversation practice. Imagine you're with a friend. Your friend asks you, what do you want for breakfast? And you can answer, I want toast and eggs, or I want cereal, or whatever you like. Let's practice this conversation. I'll ask the question, you answer out loud, okay? What do you want for breakfast? Great answer! Did you say it? Good job. Now, here's another useful phrase. When you want someone to give you something, you say, can I have? For example, can I have some water? Or, can I have some coffee? Can I have some water? Repeat. Can I have some water? Perfect. This is a very polite way to ask. You can use this at home, at a restaurant, with friends. Let me tell you a quick story. Last week, I was at my friend's house. She made breakfast. I said, "This looks delicious." And then I said, "Can I have some coffee, please?" She smiled and said, "Of course." See? Simple, polite, and very useful. So, let's review our breakfast phrases. I'm hungry. I want breakfast. I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee. Can I have some water? Say it with me one more time. I'm hungry. I want breakfast. Can I have some coffee? Excellent work. You're speaking English. Wow, look at you. You've learned so much today. Let's put it all together. Let's practice your full morning routine in English. I'm going to say all the phrases we learned. Listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Good morning. I'm still sleepy. Time to wake up. I get up. Your turn. Good morning. I'm still sleepy. Time to wake up. I get up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. Repeat. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I'm hungry. I want breakfast. I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee. Say it. I'm hungry. I want breakfast. I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee. Beautiful. You just described your entire morning in English. Now, here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, try to say these phrases during your real morning routine. When you wake up, say, "Good morning." When you brush your teeth, say, "I'm brushing my teeth." When you eat breakfast, say, "I'm eating breakfast." Make English part of your day. Make it natural. Make it fun. And remember, it's okay to go slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. Every day, you're getting better. My friend, you did it. Congratulations. You just completed a full morning of English practice. I'm so proud of you. Now, here's what I want you to do. Keep practicing these routines every day, every single day. That's how you learn. That's how you get confident. Turn your morning into your English classroom. And here's my question for you today. What time do you wake up? Do you wake up at 6, 7, 8? Think about it. If you're listening on YouTube or online, leave a comment. Tell me, I wake up at, and tell me your time. I wake up at 6:30. What about you? Thank you so much for learning with me today. You're doing amazing. Remember, practice, practice, practice. You've got this. I'll see you next time for more Daily English. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Goodbye, my friend. Have a wonderful day.